Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we will be creating this candy cane accident. First you want to take two pieces of candy cane, cut them in half and pop them where you want them on the nose. Then you want to apply spirit gum where you want the candy cane to stick. Then taking some nose and scar wax and Vaseline, you want to apply a circle shape and start blending it in with a spatula and your Vaseline. Once all blended in, you want to take some alcohol activated paints and start painting the inside of the wound red. And then with a different palette doing the same again, but flicking the colour on to make it look more natural. Then taking Prosaide, Spirit Gum or any type of glue, start sticking the candy cane into the wound you just created. Then adding as little or as much blood as you want, you're finally complete. And that brings us to the end of this tutorial. Please like this video if you enjoyed it and feel free to subscribe if you want to see more. I'll see you on my next video. Bye!